and mists obscure the way. Sometimes the clouds grow heavy and darken all the day. How precious to remember our Father's loving care, that He still loves His children and He answers prayer. Sometimes the way is dreary, we seem to walk alone, forgetting that the Father keeps watch above His own. How many needless sorrows the faithless have to bear, for God still loves His children and He answers prayer. Soul weighed down with sorrow beneath a heavy load, remember God will help you, however rough the road. His grace is still sufficient for every load of care. God still loves His